Want to make 2025 the year your money starts working for you? You don't need to be a financial expert to begin investing today. In just a few minutes, I'll show you some easy and effective investing tips that you can start using right now to secure your future. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money tips that can change your life. If you're already part of the family, thank you for coming back. Now, let's talk about something that we should all be thinking about. 2025 is right around the corner, and it's the perfect time to start investing, whether you're just beginning or looking to get better at it. But I know what you're thinking. Investing sounds complicated, or I don't have a lot of money to start. Well, guess what? That's totally okay. Because today, I'm going to break down some simple and easy tips that anyone can use, no matter your budget or experience level. Before we dive into the tips, let's start with the basics. Investing is simply putting your money into something with the goal of making it grow over time. It could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a small business. The key is, your money works for you instead of you always working for money. When you're just starting out, you want to make sure you're not paying a lot of fees. High fees can eat into your investment returns over time. One great way to keep costs low is by choosing index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are simple, cost-effective, and give you exposure to a lot of different companies or assets without having to pick individual stocks. Don't worry if you don't have thousands to invest right now. The key is consistency. Start with as little as you can. Even $50 a month is a great start. The magic of investing, that small amounts add up over time, especially with the power of compound interest. So, get started with what you're comfortable with. Here's an awesome trick: automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account every month. That way, you don't have to think about it, and your money grows without you lifting a finger. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick game. Instead, it's about playing the long game. Don't panic if the market dips. Remember that over time, markets have always gone up. Be patient and stay invested, and you'll see the rewards in the future. These are just a few of the simple ways you can start investing today. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about starting, learning, and sticking with it. Make 2025 the year you take control of your financial future. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could benefit from these easy investment strategies. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.